Starting around 07 April 2024, Avalanche basically is exchanging at $48.60 in term of its worst rate with the value change of 0.5% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Avax sort of most certainly has a kind of complete market cap of $18,364, $635,984 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $419.80, $188 in every practical sense, significant way incredibly. This sort of makes Avalanche Avax truly positioning at 11 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche generally be somewhat genuinely worth in 2024, or so they generally thought? Is Avalanche a kind of in every practical sense, wise speculation or especially extremely worth purchasing in 2024? Which explicitly is very huge. Will Avax cost essentially outperform its unequaled extremely high in an unobtrusive manner in opposition to prevalent thinking? These are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax future, or so they for the most part thought. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost by and large especially is supposed to generally cross an especially essentially normal value level of $66.47, the normal kind of least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the especially. Current year ought to for the most part fundamentally be $64.55, which generally really is genuinely critical. Besides, Avax can for the most part explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest value level of $72.36 in a genuinely huge manner. Avalanche value estimate April 2024. The truly normal cost of Avalanche Avax could really go to $50.49 toward the finish of April 2024 in a genuinely enormous manner. Avax could really be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $51.93 with the quite least expected cost of $45.68. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avalanche value figure May 2024. The especially normal cost of Avalanche Avax could actually basically go to $52.1 toward the finish of May 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Avax could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $54.46 with the genuinely least expected cost of $50.8, which by and large explicitly is genuinely huge. Avax value figure June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Avalanche basically explicitly is supposed to truly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $52.16 in an unobtrusive manner. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $56.54 with the typical cost around $54.09. Showing that starting around 07 April 2024, Avalanche basically is exchanging at $48.60 in term of its erst rate with the value change of 0.5% in kind of by and large most recent 60 minutes, which in every way that really matters is very critical in a very significant way. Avalanche value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, this genuinely most extreme cost for Avalanche could stretch around $59.24, or so they explicitly thought in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in July 2024 truly is $53.84 with a typical cost of $56.25. So Avax could basically be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $51.93 with a truly least expected cost of $45.68. Avalanche Avax value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Avalanche cost is gauged to for the most part by and large arrive at an in a real sense the kind of the least cost of $55.45, which really is very critical. The Avax cost could explicitly truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $61.49 with a kind of all things considered normal expected cost around $57.37, showing how especially is Avalanche a genuinely wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche Avax value estimate September 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for September 2024 may in a real sense certainly arrive at a really least worth of $57.75, while the very greatest squad cost for the most part is around $64.36, which truly is very huge. The fundamentally normal cost for Avax in every practical sense is fundamentally anticipated to really reach $59.67 in September 2024. Which explicitly basically is genuinely huge. Avax value gauge October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Avalanche sort of is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a sort of least value worth of $59.05. Pretty especially further appearance how Avalanche. Value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the for the most part exceptionally greatest cost for Avalanche could in a real sense stretch around $59.24. The Avax cost could in every practical sense arrive at a sort of fundamentally greatest cost of $67.34 with the especially by and large normal cost around $61.46. Also they for the most part essentially thought. Avalanche Avax value gauge November 2024. For November 2024 the cost of Avalanche explicitly is anticipated to generally arrive at a pretty especially normal cost of $63.92 while the coin could exchange between a limit of $69.80 and a fundamentally least of $61.51. Exhibiting how this for the most part certainly makes Avalanche Avax really positioning at 11 in the digital money market, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Avax value conjecture December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Avalanche especially is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $64.55 in an unobtrusive manner. The Avax cost could generally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of seller $72.36 with the fundamentally sort of normal cost around $66.47, which certainly for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Avalanche genuinely sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost by and large has shown a decent increment of 394% as of now in a sort of enormous manner. Avalanche entirely is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with reasonably kind of other crypto coins. Essentially further appearance how by and large sort of is Avalanche a very wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in a really significant manner in an unpretentious way. The Avax most certainly is down to nearly 906% in the truly most recent 7 days in an exceptionally significant manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for fundamentally beyond couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have sought areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't actually feel that it would. A productive resource in genuinely present moment. Exhibiting how Avalanche value figure April 2024 the normal cost of Avalanche Avax could commonly in a real sense go to $50.49 toward the finish of April 2024 in an all things considered large way. Avalanche value estimate 2024 facts what will sort of be Avalanche commonly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner, which generally is very huge. The Avax cost by and large basically is estimated to actually certainly arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $72.36 with really least cost of $64.55 toward the finish of 2024, which sort of for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Torrential slides basically have a future, which explicitly is very critical. As far as value, Avalanche basically has an extraordinary essentially potential to sort of arrive at new levels, or so they certainly thought.